Hello from Slovenia again. I still have quite some paints left from experiments with US Fllod floetrol and emulsabond as pouring medium. And here I have this ModPodge pearl mixed in and some Vallejo polyurethane satin varnish, and I will use this as my background and try to do a swipe, kind of, because this mixture tends to sell quite a bit, I think. Okay, and I believe that Molly from Molly Artistry said that she will try to do some swipe with this mixture too, so and I have to use them because I have them mixed, you know, and since I have them I can play with some different techniques before I will switch back to my pouring medium, because I'm still, you know, when you are used to one pouring medium, I think that it's hard to, and if you are successful with it and that you like the results that you got, so that's why. But I want to play with this product to show you in States, because you can buy those products. Okay, so I will just add a ribbon here of paint, and then I will try to do a swipe kind of with palette knife. And I did mixed some Amsterdam titanium white with this pouring medium, not Artist Loft one, and this one is Pebeo iridescent green blue, and this is burnt sienna by Amsterdam. They are just the same paints that I used them yesterday. I will just leave out that extreme sheen bronze because I don't want it here. And this one was manganese blue Amsterdam and greenish blue Amsterdam on top. And here I have my Amsterdam titanium white mixed with this pouring medium, and I mix this one 4:1, 4 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And I will just load my little palette knife with this white and play with it. So let's start here and go up. Oh, awful job, Fiona. Probably I have to turn this, that it will be more, I don't know. Better. Let's do one right through this part, because, and I will tilt this, you know, I'm not going for kind of a flower or something, or leaves, because they look like that right now. Let's try to tilt this a little bit. Just to this part. And maybe I will add something more to this because it's kind of white. Maybe I should do black kind of cell activator. But I hoped for some kind of pearly look, or how can I say, with this base, but still I don't know, I missed something. What I think that I will do, I think that I saw Tammy do that. So I will grab this little bigger one and I will just load this with color without white, because it should be, you know, some effects because of the pearl on for the base. Okay, whoop, and I dripped. I was not prepared that I will do that, so I have to go through here. So let's do that. Okay, kind of like that. Just, what if I just do this, a little of this and a little of that. Not quite the composition that I was going for, but I'm really impressed with some lacing and cells in this, so probably this could be a nice thing to do, this pearl pores, you know. Okay, I will call this done. Maybe I'm tempted to use the marble through here in the middle, but because this is just a test, if we can get some nice effects, I will just leave it. I'll just give it a quick torch. And take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. Really, really interesting. A lot of nice webbing and lacing and all of the pretty things. So I'm not happy with the composition or anything, but just want to show you the effects with this. And definitely when I loaded my palette knife with colors only, they made an amazing thing. So without not adding colors on and swipe with the white, just swipe with colors and it's amazing. And I think that I will play with this more because it's interesting. You see I see a bird and one more here, I don't know, and somebody sitting here. So this is it for today. All the colors, mixtures, recipes, so you will find in the description box if you will like to try those products too. And see you on the next one. Bye.